Go ahead.
What's up, guys? It's Evie here with 5-Minute Crafts. We're doing a special edition of How to Fix the Table. Joey broke. See, it won't stand on its yeah. So what we do is we just put it back in.
Yeah.
It's not like the screws are ripped out.
Or anything.
It all began on the day of my actual birth. Both of my parents failed to show up. By the age of 5, I was forced to throw my own surprise party at Gunter Goat Cheese's, the goat cheesiest place in all of Drusselstein. Many of my closest friends were there.
Is that Joey?
Hey, is that Joey?
Is that Joey?
Hey, Joey.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, whoa. Hey, whoa.
Ew.
Filming a video.
Oh, you got that on video?
I
That
did.
was so white girl of me. I didn't like it. No. I just Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
Passerbys. I'm not a person, I'm a crow.
What's your snack?
Caca, bitch.
Did you just pretend to walk in slow-mo?
No. I
Promise I won't.
ever do that, dude. That's super weird.
Y'all are so weird.
Go on and kiss the camera.
Stop saying hi to everybody.
I can't help it.
Let me know.
Oh my god.
Hi, Miss Webb.
Do not.
It's these individuals.
Oh my god.
Life is like a broken table. Life is like breaking a table. Sometimes you land on it smoothly and slide right off. Sometimes
Okay. Go.
life is like a broken table. Sometimes you land and you slide right off. Sometimes a leg impales your
You can't say that.
Gotcha.
Let's go again.
Life is like a broken chair.
Table. Table.
Broken chair. Sometimes you land on it and slide off. Sometimes it's a table.
We'll take that one.
It's time to play Family Feud! Give it up for Steve Harvey!
Y'all, thank y'all very much.
What up, gamers?
Oh my god!
I broke the chair. It's okay, I'll fix it.
What just happened?
I broke a table.
Yeah.
Broken table.
Well, because let me tell you what she asked him to help us film for her video,
No, it's
and
bad
he
idea.
jumped on the table and broke it. And now he's gonna tell Mr. Elliott.
You mean you broke it?
I didn't break it. Why are you blaming me?
Bye, Darian.
Why was he blaming me?
I mean, it does kind of look like you broke
I'm
it.
holding it together. It's there.
You think if we walk away, it'll be okay?
Oh no, I told her.
No,
I
like-
told her it was on. Don't you even.
No, like, do you think it'll fall if we walk away?
No.
Okay, let's go film.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
You. Let's talk about my battery, man. It's in the woods.
What's
That's
that
a
way?
parking lot.
If you look farther, it's woods.
No.
If you look even farther, it's ocean. If you look farther than that, it's a different continent. Because that's how the world works. It goes round, man. Because I'm pointing at myself right now. If you look in the long run, I'm pointing at my tushy. Right cheek.
Yeah.
It definitely saw my
Hey,
eye and it's wide
thanks.
open.
Sorry.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
A little pep in my step.
Hey, Joey. What's in your pocket?
I'll tell you what's my.
Half the stuff you say on camera when I'm recording can't be put in the video. Why are you looking at me? What did I do?
Actually, you can't say that because life is like an American flag pen.
Or-
Sometimes you have one in your pocket, sometimes you don't.
That time you don't.
No, I don't. Wait. I'm gonna kickflip the pen. Ready? I did not kickflip the pen. I'm gonna kickflip the pen. Ready?
End of flashback.
Keep the cameras rolling.
Okay.
Welcome to my TED Talk.
Does life feel too fast to you?
Sometimes in life, you need a snack. Not this though. This is a pen. Use it to write your feelings. Happy. Now, I'm gonna demonstrate what Kobe Bryant would do in this situation by throwing this all the way to that trash can and making it in. Just like Kobe, I made it in.
Did you actually?
Yes.
Can we go check?
I made it in.
Dude,
I made it in.
let's go check.
Wait!
You think he made it in?
Yeah.
Do you think he made it in?
He literally made it in.
Well, like,
it's literally in right now. You don't see it anymore.
Is it in right now?
It's in right now.
Did it actually?
It's literally in.
Hold on, let me go check actually.
Trash can.
It's in the trash can, brother.
Yeah?
It's in the trash can.
It's in the trash.
It's in the trash can.
It's in the trash can.
Where? Oh, hey, it's in the trash can.
I made it in.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
All right, gang. And this piece is a reference to Bach. And I know what you're saying. That's music, not paint. Well, I tell you, you ever correct me again, you ever come after me again, yeah, it's game over. It's game over. It's storming.
Yeah, let's please.
Right for me.
I think we should go film our video now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we want to film?
I don't know.
The how to fix the table.